I've had the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 on my wrist for like a week or so, and well, this video is all about that. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life, in style. So I have a confession. I've never actually tried a Mi Band before. Though Joshua has, and he loves it so much that he even gave our friend David one, and he apparently loved that. He also had a 4, and he's been repping a pink strap with it, and that makes me semi-jealous. And I've reviewed a bunch of wearables, and I've always gotten comments about the Mi Band. This video is all about the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. So let's see if this is a wearable that lives up to the hype, and also if it's cute enough or it's just another blah wearable. Hashtag concerns, you know it. Let's go. So the Mi Band 5 looks like, well, a fitness band. It's thin and light, and it's something that you can leave on your wrists all day, every day. And it's water resistant, so you can exercise with it, and you can even swim in it. You take off the strap this way. I know, that sort of like surprised me too. And I'm happy to report that there are so many different strap options and not just this black one. I actually got a pink one from LAZADA. Like, Xiaomi offers a number of strap options, but there are so many cheap third-party ones too. The thinness and simplicity on this thing actually works too, because I know that there are some girls who likes their fitness wearables this way because that means they can layer their bracelets, watches, and accessories. Maybe not the watch, but you get it. One thing though is with the strap that comes with it, I'm actually on the last hole. So if you have thin wrists, well, thinner than mine, that might be an issue. So speaking of making your wearable match your aesthetics more, you can also change the watch face on this. There are so many different watch faces available for the Mi Band 5, and there are really cute ones and even ones that move. Aside from that, there's an option to put on your own photo as a watch face. And not only that, you can choose different positioning for the stats on these customized watch faces, so you make sure that whatever you put as background works. You can even do your own face as a watch face, because why not? Love yourself, girl. And finally, you can even change the stats that you put on a specific watch face, which is awesome. And that is a level of watch face customization that I have not seen in other wearables. The screen is bright and responsive. There are bezels over there. You can adjust brightness settings. So I'm not sure if there is an auto brightness setting. If there is, I can't find it. So you navigate via swiping around. Swipe up and you get to the menu. And then all of these things you can just tap to go inside. This button for back. Swipe up, you have the same thing. Swipe to the right gives you weather forecast, music controls, notification. You can swipe right. Well, okay, this is right. The other one was left. And it gives you the same settings. So the band actually connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and it uses the Mi Fit app. So as you can see here, you can tap on profile, My Band. From here, all the menus we went through on the band itself can be customized. So you have shortcut settings, display settings, workout settings. So even how you arrange the workouts on the band is something that you can change to your liking. Of course, being connected to the app means you get notifications from your phone. You can't reply through the band though, so that means you need to get on your phone to do anything about it. Never actually... Oh. There's a call. Hello? Oh my god, I have another call. Other settings are here. For example, notification alerts. So you can customize those too, like what apps you'll allow to notify you via the band, or how you see incoming call alerts, event reminders, even alarms. I'm not kidding when I say like all the settings are in here. Like you have night modes and ringtones, and even, let me show you something that I love. Basically, you can use your band as a remote shutter for your camera. Another cool thing is this unlock screen option, which basically means you can link your Mi Band to your phone. And then every time your Mi Band is near your phone, you won't have to unlock your device. So the Mi Band, being after all a health tracker, tracks a lot of your data. One of the things that it does is it gives you your I don't know how you say it, PAI score. PAI stands for Physiological Activity Indicator. So basically, this thing scores your fitness according to all the different data and factors that you have. It uses a specific algorithm for that. And that means you're able to look at all this data in a more holistic manner. Right, my PAI score sucks right now. So aside from that, there is a heart rate tracker. I've actually set it to continuously monitor my heart. As you can see here, we have a stress counter, a breathing meditation guide. Even sleep tracking here is really nice because it gives you a very detailed look at your sleep. And then it gives you sort of advice as to how to make your sleeping habits better. And even a menstrual cycle tracker. In tandem with the app, that's actually a very detailed tracker too. I love this. Not all wearables have this option, and personally, I would rather have my cycles on the health app with everything else versus having a separate app just for my periods. Of course, I exercised with the Mi Band 5 too. There are walking, running, and cycling fitness options, which includes connected GPS, meaning it can track where you're exercising on a map, but it has to have a phone connected to it. There are 11 different exercise modes on this watch, but despite being a strong independent woman, I won't really test all of them. I did my normal workouts though. First of all, I did jump rope.
Whoa. It tells you number of jumps. I mean, it's not as accurate because look, it's 152. Oh, there you go. I mean,
so sure, you can always trick the Mi Band, but in terms of fitness, you're only tricking yourself. For my weights exercises, there isn't a specific exercise mode, but I chose freestyle.
There is no weight training here, so I'm just gonna go for like freestyle. Okay, let's see how this goes.
Unlike more expensive wearables, and also probably because this isn't a dedicated weight training mode, there isn't any auto counting or auto detection of reps. After your workout, stats show up on the app, and depending on the exercise you picked, it'll show you corresponding stats. One thing I love about the Mi Band 5 is the Mi ecosystem integration. So I have a bunch of Mi Home products set up at home, and well, this just works perfectly with some of them. I mean, I didn't even realize it could work together, but they do. For example, I have a Mi Scale, and that connects to the Mi Fit app, the same app that this thing connects to. So basically, it integrates my weight stats with the stats that I get from my Mi Band. Also, I have a Mi bedside lamp, which if you think about it, how will it work with my Mi Band? Well, folks, I have that lamp set to a night light. Alexa, turn the bedside lamp on. And I connected it to my Mi Band. And so now, when my Mi Band realizes that I'm asleep, it turns the night light off. Dude, yeah, it does that. I mean, so my thing now is I can never really check if it works, because how do I check if it turns off when I'm asleep, if I'm asleep? But I mean, you get it. That whole ecosystem is mind-blowing. Xiaomi says that the Mi Band 5 has a 14-day standby time for battery. Now, I haven't had it for that long to test out actual battery time. But I will say that since I got this and it wasn't even charged fully, I've only plugged it in once. The only real bad feedback that I heard about previous Mi Bands is that to charge them, you'd have to take the whole band off. But that is fixed with this version because the charger looks like this, and all you need to do is plug it in at the back. It's also a magnetic charger, and you're good to go. Charging time was around an hour and a half, and I'm on day 3, and according to the app, okay, well, it's 69% now, and that was last charged 3 days ago. This morning it was at 73. And that was the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 for you. I gotta say that the level of customization on this band is something that really impresses me. I love that this thing is lightweight. It's something that I can have on my wrist like every day without it bothering me. Plus, I absolutely love that it's so easy to get different straps and for super cheap. Like the strap that I got cost me like 200 pesos from Lazada, and that's with shipping. What I'm mostly impressed with though, and this is not something that I expected when I tried out the Mi Band 5, is how awesome it can work with all other Mi products if you have them. Especially since not a lot of wearable brands offer smart home things, especially at this price point.
39.99 euros. Again, amazing products at honest prices. We also have an early bird price starting from 34.99 euros.
The Xiaomi Mi Band 5 is an easy, no-fuss wearable with so many awesome functionalities that you should definitely check out. I mean, I gotta say, I see why people love this thing so much. Right, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to see how I use all my tech on a daily basis, you can find me online. That's at Cisa Said. Until next time!